Life on the road teaches you something simple. You can live well without spending a lot. Around here, we call that living well on
Come on
less.
in with those packages.
Do we need stew beef?
If you're gonna make beef
Can we
stew,
have a stew without stew beef? Oh, $70?
Travel days mean grocery days for us. When you're living full-time in an RV, planning meals really matters. So today, we're heading into the store with one goal: keep our weekly grocery budget at $75 and still walk out with enough healthy food to cook real meals all week. Let's see what actually makes it into the cart.
let me get a bell pepper.
All right.
But we'll be using that.
What are they, like 99 cents a bell pepper?
Yeah, 99 cents each.
Sugars.
Yeah, but
Nothing but whole grain wheat, barley, flour, salt, and dried yeast. There you go.
let's try that.
All right. Oh, $70?
Price with card 33, but still, what?
Look at that. That back there is price with card $27.
$20.99 a pound.
What's the difference in that one and this one? Because this is only $27.
It's just some different weight. Still $20.99 a pound. It's 11.59s. It's $10 a pound.
Do we need stew beef?
If you're gonna make beef
Can we
stew,
have a stew without stew beef? I mean, that's a lot. That's like just $5 a piece for the meat. Hey, babe, what about that up there, though? That says reduced to $12.82 right there. No, to the left.
well, if we're gonna,
It looks like a couple of different servings we could break it.
Oh, yeah,
down
we
into
could
several
cut-
meals.
we could probably cut this down to about 3 different servings.
$12.82.
That brings it down to about what?
$4
A serving, a meal.
$4 a meal.
That we share, so
Four
$2.
and
Let's do
12. Yeah,
that.
let's do that. All right.
Good one, babe. Good
How about
catch.
that?
Good catch.
Teamwork.
Yeah.
All right,
teamwork.
groceries secured. Now comes the fun part: turning everything we found into simple, healthy meals back at the RV. Stick around, because in a few minutes, we'll show you exactly what we made and how much each meal actually cost. Travel days in RV life usually start the same way: a little cleaning up outside, packing the storage bays, and getting everything ready to roll down the road again. While Daniel takes care of the outside, I'm getting things ready inside the RV. Before long, the door opens, and Bella and Dinky are always the first ones ready to start the day. It's a simple routine, but moments like this are part of what makes slow travel so special.
Well, they have a rug that goes but they want the ones I've seen that covers this area.
Mm-hmm.
It's like $700 or $800.
$700 or $800?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Cut this down to about 3 different servings.
$12.82.
That brings it down to about what?
$4
A serving, a meal.
$4 a
That
meal.
we share, so
Four
$2.
and 12.
Yeah, it's 5:30 in the morning, and one thing I'll cook my stew in a slow cooker in a crock pot, so it'll cook all day long. But once it's cooked, we're not eating it tonight. This is for tomorrow, when we're on the road. When we get to, we're staying at a KOA about halfway point, and we'll pull that bad boy out and eat.
Have dinner already.
You know, when you're on the road, it's, you know, instead of eating fast foods and stuff like this, prep something so you can have a good meal, save money, and eat healthy. Okay, I put a little bit of olive oil on a pound of stew meat. The only reason I put a little bit of olive on there because I want my seasonings to stick, and I'm gonna put a little bit of Bob's Red Mill oat flour. It's gluten-free, whole grain, non-GMO. So the biggest thing, as you guys know, what we're trying to do is eat healthy. So we're not going to be adding a bunch of artificial additives and all that stuff in there. Everything's going to be natural. Mm-hmm. Mushrooms.
Dinky's always like way ahead, and Bella's always way behind. She like to her little sleeping, don't you, Belle? Yeah. Which way you want to go, around or? Come on, Belle. Which way are you going? Bella.
Let's go by the thing. I'm gonna run inside. So we got a package.
All right.
When we hit the road, you know, we had we bought a Class C because we liked what it offered us in that it was very mobile. It's like driving a van, and that first year we put about 16,000 miles on it in a year. By traveling that fast, you don't have like prepping your meals before time and doing all this stuff. We found ourselves eating fast foods, junk really, and it's expensive. Used to eating at a fast food place was cheap and fast. Now it's nothing cheap about it. And when you think about it, and it's not it doesn't taste that great. So when you think about it, why wouldn't you want to have something that's tasty while you're on the road? You can sit down at your table, eat, and relax after a day of driving.
All right, here's how the week turned out. Our total grocery cost was $53.17, and we turned that into several simple homemade meals. One of our favorites was the beef stew we made on Saturday. The stew was our travel day dinner after a 5-hour drive. We found a great deal on stew beef, split it into 3 servings, froze 2 portions, and cooked one for our travel day dinner after driving to the next park. The rest of the week we made gyros, Greek hamburgers, pork carnitas, and even a simple beans and rice meal with homemade bread. Most of these meals came in around $2 to $3 per person.
In next week's video, we're going to explain how we spend less
And live more.
and live more. See you then.
Stay tuned.